Good morning, everybody. Hopefully, you guys are having a great week. Don't really have much new for you today. We're still kind of working on that cereal box project. Hopefully, everybody's kind of got a good feel for what's going on, has gotten started. Couple questions that I fielded from a couple people. Maybe this will help if we get it out in the open. First question that I've heard from a lot of people is, do I have to do my cereal box about the person that I answered last week's discussion question about? The answer is no. Truth be told, I honestly hope some people are going to change things up. I feel like everybody could have answered Martin Luther King or George Washington with Harriet Tubman coming in third. And that was kind of almost everybody. I don't think there was a lot of, there was a few random other people, but that was pretty much everybody. I would kind of hope for a little more variety. So yeah, if you want to change it up, that is okay. I do ask for it to be somebody that you can legitimately kind of defend as an American hero. And I didn't mean to call anybody out before, but like Kanye West is something I feel like it would be hard to justify him as an American hero. What has he done that kind of separates himself and kind of improve the lives of everybody else in the country? So that's kind of the first question. The second question had to do with context of quotes. It doesn't really have to be anything substantial. So, example, if you are quoting Thomas Jefferson as in the Declaration of Independence, you just put Thomas Jefferson Declaration of Independence, or something that was said during the Emancipation Proclamation. You just put Abraham Lincoln Emancipation Proclamation. The date would be nice to throw in there, but yeah. That's kind of what you would do for the context part. It doesn't have to be very elaborate, like explaining kind of the surroundings or anything. Just like kind of where it came from. Teddy Roosevelt in Address to Congress, 1905 or something. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Okay. Other than that, if you have questions, please feel free to email me. Next week we will have I have another project I'm kind of working on in my head. We'll probably do a similar deal where I'll kind of unveil that on maybe Monday this time. I might try to knock it out at the beginning of the week to kind of get it out there to you. If that's okay, I have to kind of get approval for that. And then something that you can kind of work on throughout the week. So that's kind of what Monday and the next week will kind of look like, very similar to what we're doing this week. Like I said, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm still doing office hours, 12:30 to 2:30 during the Monday through Thursday. So stop by if you have questions or comments, just want to chat, whatever it is you want to do. So until then, I will talk to you probably tomorrow.